Hola, estudiantes. Bueno, it's the last vocab that you'll have for Unit 7, and this is the verbs that you will want to be able to use when you're talking about sports. So hopefully you have out your vocab page or a piece of paper that you can copy these verbs down, and we're going to just do this last section on your vocab page right now. Jugar means to play, and I think we already talked about this one just a little bit, but just to review again, remember that it's a stem changing verb, so that the U changes to UE in those 5 places on the verb chart. Jugar, to play. Ganar means to win, ganar. Y los Chiefs ganan el Super Bowl. If you are football fans from the United States, you know that the Super Bowl is the most popular or the most watched game in football. And this year, perder means to lose, and perder is also a stem changing verb. So you'll notice that it's changed from an I to an IE in 5 of the forms. And this year, unfortunately, los 49ers pierden el Super Bowl. Empatar means to tie. Empatar. Los dos equipos empatan en el partido. And you know that in soccer or in football, a game can end in a tie unless it's a final game. Parar means to stop. Parar. And you could use this in soccer or in many other sports. You could say el jugador para el balón. Atrapar means to catch. Atrapar. La portera atrapa el balón. Bloquear means to block. It's a cognate. El jugador bloquea el balón. Pasar means to pass, also a cognate. El jugador pasa el balón. Meter un gol is the phrase in Spanish that you would use in soccer to say to score a goal. To score a goal. Meter un gol. El jugador mete un gol. Tirar and lanzar both mean to throw. Sometimes tirar can mean also to shoot. You could use that in basketball. Tirar, lanzar. El pitcher tira la pelota. Patear means to kick. Patear. El jugador patea el balón. Batear means to bat. Comes from our word bat or batter. Batear is a cognate then. And you could say, el bateador batea la pelota. Driblar is also a cognate. It means to dribble. El jugador dribla el balón. Encestar means to make a basket in basketball. El jugador encesta el balón y marca 2 puntos. In basketball, if you make a basket, it can be 2 points or 3 points, or 1 point if it's from the free throw line. So that's all of the vocabulary. Those are all the verbs. So now you have all the vocabulary that you need for this unit. Adios.